What is up, you guys? So I received these earlier this week. I have been very uninspired by Chanel over the last year, maybe even year and a half. But specifically this year, I have not picked up that much from Chanel, but I have also discussed that I don't always need a bag. And sometimes it isn't a bag from Chanel that excites me, but this is the first thing from Chanel that has excited me as much to pull the trigger and purchase these. So let me show you what I purchased. Now, this is a category that I don't have from Chanel in my collection, and I think I have mentioned that I wanted a pair of this specific item, and so this is how they showed up. I'm sure that you can now maybe tell what I purchased. So what I picked up, look at how pretty that is. I think I already got makeup on it. I have wore them out once, and I'll tell you why. I was not 100% sure if I was going to keep these because when I did wear them out, and I wore them out with the tag because I needed to make sure they were going to work for me. I love these, you guys. Look at these really beautiful sunglasses. They're black on black, which I love. And if you follow me on Like to Know It, I did post these a month ago, but I posted the black and the gold. But these are the ones that I wanted because I don't have anything like this in my like sunglass collection, something that is all black. There's always like competing metal happening with my sunglasses. And so when I saw that these were available, I thought, oh my God, I think these are going to be the glasses from Chanel that I'm going to purchase. Something else that I wanted to mention from Chanel, I have been wanting a pair of Chanel sunglasses for years now. Years and years I've wanted a pair of Chanel sunglasses. However, for whatever reason, Chanel sunglasses never suit my face. I have tried on so many glasses from Chanel and I have never been able to locate a pair of sunglasses that suit my face. I have an oblong face. And one of the things that I hear all of the time whenever I go to a sunglass store or anywhere and I'm trying on sunglasses, everyone always tells me that I have the perfect face for any shape sunglasses. And that's something that is widely thought of people with oblong faces, but I'm here to tell you that that is not true. Like short glasses do not suit my face at all. And there's a ton of other sunglasses that don't suit my face. And for the most part, Chanel sunglasses don't suit my face. They're too like short and they come like, they just don't suit my face. And so this is the first pair that has literally, I think, suited my face. Now I'm going to try them on for you guys. Let me know if they suit my face or not. So these are the sunglasses. I love that this is not very obvious. I love how low key these sunglasses are. They're so beautiful and classic. I love that I'll be able to wear them with anything. I don't have to worry about hardware. I don't have to worry about like competing logos or anything of that sort. These are the first pair of sunglasses that I own that have a wide arm. And when I wore them, the reason why I considered returning them was because I felt that they kind of obstruct my view when I'm driving. So that was a concern of mine, and it still kind of is, to be perfectly honest, because I'm not used to having something so wide here, and it takes some getting used to. And so that is something that I was grappling with whether or not I should keep them. But I love them so much that I just can't imagine returning them. And honestly, I do feel that they suit my face. The other thing is I do not have a pair of, this thing is still getting on my nerves. I'll take this off. I also don't have a pair of square sunglasses in my sunglass collection. So that was another box that these checked off for me. And, you know, while I don't think that they're oversized, and I tend to really prefer oversized sunglasses. They're big enough and they're actually almost like the perfect size sunglass, and they're so incredibly classic. That's the other thing when it comes to sunglasses that I have to purchase. I'm not like that with my handbags, but I'm 100% that way when it comes to sunglasses. They have to be classic. Trends change all the time, but a sunglass that is classic, it just always works, and I'm a lot more comfortable when it comes to sunglasses. I can wear any crazy bag that I want, but with sunglasses, they have to be very, very classic, almost even low key to a certain degree. But yeah, these honestly checked off all of my boxes. They also come in a beautiful, I would say they're like tortoiseshell color, or brown is what I think they're calling them. And I saw Bipolar Max, whom I miss on YouTube so much, but I saw her post on her stories that she picked up the brown ones. There is another version of these that are shorter, and I think those are the ones that Max picked up. I am 100% considering the brown ones as well in this size. I love these, but I definitely wanted to have the black because I felt that they were like quintessentially Chanel. And so I definitely wanted to have these first. But yeah, I feel like I finally have this category checked off of my box when it comes to Chanel. I do want like one of those like soft cloth pouches to put my glasses in, because I don't want to just throw these in my bag. But I'm thrilled with these. Let me know what you think. I know these are honestly the most expensive sunglasses that I have ever purchased. And for whatever reason, the ones that are all black are more expensive than even the black and gold, which I don't understand, but whatever. I love the low-key vibe that these sunglasses have. Honestly, they're so good. I highly recommend these if you are a sunglass lover, if you're not afraid of wearing sunglasses or losing them and stuff. These are such a great pair. I'm actually surprised that more people are not picking these up because they're so unbelievably gorgeous. I think I got them all dirty already. They are a little weighty, so I was feeling them give me like a little bit of a tension, not headache, but I felt some tension in the back of my ears. Sometimes it's just something that I have to get used to, and then it kind of goes away, which I think these are going to be that. I did also want to let you guys know these arrived with a little cleaning cloth from Chanel. The only thing I wish is that these arrived with like a smaller, more cloth pouch. I think that would make these even better. But yeah, I'm crazy about this. This is, it says leather. Yeah, this is leather here. So we'll see how that ages. But yeah, I'm obsessed with these. And so now all I need is a pair of Louis Vuitton sunglasses, and I am good to go. There is a pair of Louis Vuitton sunglasses that I'm eyeing as well. I do feel that, like I've said before, it doesn't always have to be a bag, you guys. It can be, it's one of the things that I love about these fashion houses is sometimes adding just a little item from Chanel or from Louis Vuitton totally does it for me. This is more than enough for me at the moment, and it gave me like all of the feels. If you've been wanting to purchase something from Chanel, I definitely think that these are a really good buy, and obviously it doesn't have that astronomical handbag price point. So definitely give these a thought. So that is it, you guys. Let me know what you think of my new purchase. Have you looked at these? Are these something that you're considering? Definitely let me know. I really do hope that you found this helpful, and I will chat with you guys later. Bye.